Hey, hello everyone. So this video is about categorizing the research. So I want to present my thoughts on it. According to me, the first category we can say is that which focuses purely on understanding the ideas, observing the patterns, like in clinical setting when we see how muscle respond to the various kind of training, when we doing the cardio, how heart rate changes with the intensity of exercise. And let's say if we are giving the same protocol to athletes, their recovery rate might be different. So this kind of uh, research is purely based on the understanding, asking the questions rather than the problem solving. So in our field, I think this is very important to understand the baseline, the foundation, how body respond to the exercise. Like without understanding it, I feel this would be the probably the guesswork only. So and the talking about the another category of the research, I would say the another part focuses on how to apply the knowledge that we already have. So this part is something. The second category of the research is that which focuses on applying and solving the problems, like turning the information, the knowledge we have into action. Like it does not ask the questions why anything happened, when and how it happening, but instead of asking the questions, it suggests what actually we should do to improve it. And this is the another category I would think it is. Thank you.